What if every part you've ever ordered was finally in one place? With the new Fictiv Parts Library, now it is. Hi, I'm Hiro. Today on Fictiv Features, we're introducing an exciting new tool. After months of customer feedback and development, the Fictiv Parts Library is here. All your purchases, DFM notes, inspection reports, quotes, and revisions appear in one organized, searchable view. Traceability is effortless for every part. Need to reorder a part? Just find the exact revision and click Add to Quote. You can always edit part details or upload new revisions from the quote. Teams can share parts across multiple workspaces, so everyone from engineering to purchasing will always see the same data. The library automatically detects duplicates when uploading new designs, making it easy to keep your part history clean and consistent. That's the Parts Library, your central hub for tracking, reordering, and collaboration. See all your parts in one place and keep your projects moving forward. And stay tuned. Soon, you'll be able to build and manage entire assemblies directly in the Fictiv platform.